Hi, here is Bougon Laser. Today we will introduce the Au3tech fiber laser welding head.
HW981S is the latest developed welding gun specifically designed for laser welding. Now, let me introduce to you the advantages of this welding gun. At first, the entire set of welding guns has been digitally updated. The originally separate motor drive board has now been integrated into the welding head. Therefore, the connections from the motor to the board are shorter, and the anti-electromagnetic interference capability is also stronger. The small screen on welding machine allows workers to adjust settings and control wire feeders more convenient. No need to go to the machine and make adjustments on the system screen. The gun head and the controller are connected using aviation connectors, making the disassembly and installation process much more convenient. On trigger, we design a collision prevention device. During use, avoid accidentally emitting the laser beam, which enhances safety. Apart from the protective cover, the system also has a security lock that can be customized according to the customer's requirements. It can be set to enable the laser function. After that, press and hold the switch for 3 seconds to unlock, and then press the switch to emit the laser. For connecting parts with laser sources, we support customization. Customers have more options for the laser source, including water-cooled and air-cooled systems. At the same time, based on HW980, the weight of the gun head has been reduced and the handling feeling has been improved. The aluminum alloy casing reduces the weight of the gun body to less than 500 grams. The handle part has undergone oxidation treatment, and the anti-slip design makes the operation easier. Update the alarm indicator light on the gun head. Protecting lens and focus lens adopts a drawer component design. The sealed design reduces the probability of dust entering the gun head and makes the replacement process very convenient.